Well guys, I'm doing a vlog here at Katoomba in snow, so enjoy. V40 is now departing platform number 2 from Mount Victoria service. Medlow Bath, Blackheath and Mount Victoria. V40 is the set.
Medlow Bath, Blackheath and then Mount Victoria. Return will turn right and then go to the yard. It's frosty.
So yeah, it's actually it's quite frosty here. So
It's actually not dried up yet. I am very surprised.
So yeah, very happy indeed. So V3 now arriving on a platform number 1, Sydney Terminal service. The next stop will be Lura, followed by all stations to Springwood. Yeah, all stations to Penrith, Blacktown, Westmead, Parramatta, Granville, Strathfield, and Sydney Terminal. V3 is now departing platform number 1, Sydney Terminal service. Oh, what a nice sounding visa that one is. Got a V-set arriving on a platform number 1, Sydney Terminal service, V10. Oh my god, that smells so good. V10's just about to depart platform number 1, Sydney Terminal service. Next stop, Lura.
Departing platform number 1 for a essential service. Train will stop Lura, Humber Falls, and Bullabara.
No, go away, pigeon. Don't steal our hot chocolates.
Hazelbrook, Woodford, then Wyndham, something, South Falcon Bridge, Springwood, Fair Valley Heights, Warren, Lexington, Glenbrook, Lapstone, and
Yeah, guys, I'll see you when the Lithgow train arrives. We care about safety at Sydney trains. We don't let you have emergency help points. V23 now arriving on platform number 2 for a service to Lithgow. Next stop is Medlow Bath. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap the vlog up. I hope you enjoy. See you later. And goodbye.